It's looking real tired. It's time for another EDC update. I'll find somewhere and get on with it. Ravioli, ravioli, what's in the pocket-oli? My work knife, which is the Cold Steel ProLite, the sports version that doesn't have the finger guard on it. Try not to get the glare from the sun. Got my other knife, which is the Nagaho Hyugo no Kami. Still my favourite knife. Got my new pen, this one's a Maxpedition Spitka. My flashlight is the Olight SR2 Baton still. Leatherman rebar. Zippo with the butane insert. Got my keys. A little bit's changed with this. I'm now packing heat. I got myself the ultra compact Nano Glock 17 and 9mm. So I'm now armed and dangerous. I'm not going to do a safety check on it because safety checks are for puffs. So yeah, I'm now dangerous. If you fuck with me, I will bust a nut in your asshole. I am fucked in the head. 5 out of 6 voices in my head agree with us. Got the little Spyderco Bug, which I still think is the smallest one that they make. The Griffin pocket tool. Tops rape whistle. Gerber shorts back on there. Got the Exotac Nano Striker XL and the Phoenix E01, which is a pretty nice flashlight. And that's it. Oh, and I've just got the little glow-in-the-dark key fob thing. So that is oh, my phone is still the Samsung Galaxy Ace 4, and my wallet, I'll get into this, but it's the spec-ops wallet, and I've got a little survival kit in there and other things, and I'll show you what's in there. This is a little kit that I've got in my wallet. Got 12 feet wide by 6 foot long aluminium foil. Good to make a little cooking pot with, little cup. Use it as a signal mirror, fishing flies, or lures. And it's probably got a few other uses. And also used as a tin hat to stop the aliens from reading your brainwaves. A few other uses, I can't think of them off the top of my head. Little signal mirror, which I use all the time for digging spelks and shit out my face. One of these days I'm going to lose an eye. Got a Fresnel lens. A little bit of cordage, not sure how long it is. I think it's about 100 feet. Got the Tops S.N.A.P by Norseman. A lucky coin that my very sexy friend from Japan gave us. It's got the Mount Fuji cherry blossoms, and it's the 1964 Tokyo Olympic Games one, sterling silver. And that's a little kit that I've got, a little P38 can opener. I'm not going to get everything out, but I've got a little ferro rod, about 150 feet of 30-pound test, fishing braid, flies, saltwater hooks. I've got a seal needle in there, which is a number 14 I think, band-aid and a little suture needle in there as well. And I've also got about 150 yards of 5-pound test mono, which I can use also for sutures. And that's pretty much the contents of my wallet. And actually, I'm shocked by this. I looked in it and I've actually got money. I honestly didn't even know I had money in my wallet. I thought I'd put everything in the bank. But yeah. Pints on me tonight. That's the contents of the wallet. I'll get into the EDC bag now. So the bag is still the Maxpedition Monsoon, which I still hate. But I paid 150 quid for it, so I'm going to use it until I break it. And I think it's coming up to about 12-13 years old now, if not older. Anyway, I'll show you what I carry in it. So in the little side pouch, I've got a headlamp by Energizer, Falcon Ivan DC3, Exotac match cap filled with matches, and the table flame butane lighter, and that's that. So in the bottle carrying pouch, I've just got a titanium Life Adventure cup with some tissue in it for cleaning it, and that's it. I've got today's beer, which is S.N.A.P, or an Etini, I don't know. Ice cold. Tastes like milk from an angel's tits. This is the rest of the contents. Got a wet wipes, hand gel, got 50 feet of 550 paracord. I've got the Tops pry probe and punch tool, power bank with 2 charging cables, one's for the phone and one's for the flashlight. I got the Phoenix TA20, I think it is. Yeah, TA20. Chopsticks, titanium ones. Ball bag filled with slingshot balls. I've got a slingshot, which is a Bill Hayes design, Pocket Predator I think it is. First aid kit, and a bag for carrying, it's just like a waterproof bag, carry water or whatever in it. And these are the last few items. I've just got some mechanics impact gloves. I've got a trash bag style emergency shelter that I got out the BCB Bushcraft and Survival Kit, and Schmog or Schmag. And that's pretty much it, that's all I've got. So that's my EDC for this month. Never been in these woods before, so I'm going to have a little explore, and I won't bother showing that. But it's my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching and goodbye.